Lippen zijn droog. Oh mijn god, ik moet mijn haar nog spoelen. What the hell? Hey guys, I'm back. It's been so long since the last time I filmed. We're not gonna talk about it, right?
Right.
Let's just ignore that part and just act like nothing ever happened. Here we are today. It's time to do my hair. I saw this combination on TikTok. I have these products and I've used them separately before but never together. We're gonna try it out and see what my hair is gonna look like. So let's go and get started. I'm praying that the sound is good because I cannot find my little microphone and I'm not gonna know until I start editing. So yeah, hopefully the sound is okay. Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm editing my video right now and I am not happy with the sound, but this is the best I can get it for now. In the next video, it will be way better, I promise. But this is what I'm working with at the moment, so bear with me. I started by sectioning off my hair first. I always start at the back, and this is going to be the first section that I'm going to be working on. For this product, my hair needs to be wet, so I'm going to make sure it's wet and use my spray bottle. Okay, that's what I thought. Guys, it's been so long. I'm actually excited to start filming again. It's almost summer. I have some fun events on the planning that I'm gonna vlog and film and stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited. As always, starting on fresh washed hair. I think this is wet enough. Then I'm gonna take the mousse and just. Okay, this one is almost finished. What is this? Not enough. We're back. I go in with like 2.5 pumps. Now it smells so good. It smells like candy a little bit. I don't know. It's nice. Like a fruity candy type smell. See, my hair is starting to clump up already. This is what we have right now. I think I'm gonna spray my hair a little bit more before I go in with the gel. This is wet. My hair is wet. Okay, take the top. I don't know. I'm gonna take like this much. How do I show how much I take? Like that much. And then just apply it on my hair. I like the way my hair feels right now. It feels very soft and slippery. What I like. It doesn't feel heavy or like oily in my hair. My hair gets weighed down really easily, so I like oily, heavy products. This is what we have. My hair is very clumped up together. That's one sign that I know my hair is gonna turn out good if my curls clump together while applying the product. And now I'm gonna section this little section off into smaller parts like this. I'm gonna use this defining brush that I have. What it looks like. And you're actually gonna use like the side part to actually define the curls. I'm just gonna show you. First I just brush like normal. And then you go like this. And kind of twist it. So your hair gets like on this part of the brush. Let me show you again. Take a little section. And then first brush like normal. And then twist the brush. See? Alright. Ta-da! And then you get these defined curls. Brush and twist. And go slow. Ta-da! And then I just shake it a little bit to wake up the curl. It smells so good. Oh my god, my room smells amazing right now. I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out. I actually tried the gel last week, the last time that I washed my hair, and my hair turned out amazing. It was so soft, fluffy, defined, shiny, just amazing. And I actually got to wear my hair like out for 4 to 5 days, I think. So that's good, really good actually, because I go to the gym throughout the week. So yeah, it's amazing. Guys, I've been going to the gym like consistently for the past, I want to say 2 years now, but like actually getting my eating right and stuff, it's been a year now, I think, and I feel great. I feel good about it. I want to make videos about that as well, like my gym journey. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start posting videos about that as well. I want to do more like different type of videos, not only hair videos, but more lifestyle, gym, vlogs, just more random stuff, and not just hair videos. Even though I do enjoy filming hair videos, I want to be more, how do you say this? I want to expand my channel more. So yeah, I already post vlogs like here and there whenever I do something exciting. This summer I'm gonna vlog, of course, because I have some fun things on the planning. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I also need to start posting on TikTok more. I actually have a page for hair videos, but I only have like 2 videos up, so I want to be more active on that channel as well. I do use my my personal channel a lot. Not a lot, girl, not that much, but I mean to say I'm more active on my personal channel. I just want to be more active on socials. I'm just saying all of this to hold myself accountable and actually do the stuff that I'm talking about right now. Amazing. I've been thinking about dyeing my hair again this summer. It's been a long time. I used to dye my hair like all the time, but I gave my hair a good break after the last time I dyed my hair. I think the last time was my blonde skunk stripe, if I'm not mistaken. It did damage my hair a bit, so I had to give my hair a break for a bit. But now I'm getting that itch again, the hair dye itch. So I think I'm gonna dye my hair for the summer. That's gonna be fun, you know, a different look. Okay, this is what we have right now. Shiny. Alright, moving on to the next part. I also really like the names of the doux products, like Mousse, Big Poppa. So yeah, that's really cute. I like that. By the way, what's going on with all this hantavirus stuff that I'm hearing and seeing on the news? I don't have time for this. It sounds so scary and I don't like that. But this time, guys, I'm so serious. If we go into another lockdown, don't be surprised if you see me dancing on TikTok. And I'm so serious. Like, I'm not playing. I'm gonna be dancing on TikTok, dancing my life away, and hopefully I get some brand deals. Like, why not? That's what I was supposed to be doing in the first lockdown, but I didn't, so I'm not missing out this time. Amazing! I feel like my hair is gonna look so good. I actually forced myself to not make this a voiceover video because I don't know why I actually started making voiceover videos in the first place. I feel like normal talking videos, like talking to the camera, are way more fun to watch and more personal, I guess, in a way. So yeah, I don't know why I even stopped doing this. The back of my hair is such a struggle. My arms get tired. Cute! My hair is so cute. This is what we have. Looking good. I'm almost done. So hungry. I'm surprised that I cannot hear my stomach. I'm real struggling. I'm hungry. Whenever I get to this front section, I always like to style my hair going to the front, down, for extra volume, like on top. And if I brush it back, it's gonna be flat, and I don't want that. Okay, I just finished applying the product all over my hair, and this is what we are working with. My hair looks amazing already. I can feel that my hair is gonna turn out right, the way I want it to. I'm gonna give myself 5 to 10 minutes to sit with the product in my hair before I start blow drying, just to give it some time to like really settle in and get into my curls. So yeah, I will be back when it's time to blow dry. Alright, I got my blow dryer and I'm gonna put it on high heat and high speed. Wait, my light isn't turned on. See, oh my god, I gotta get used to filming again. But yeah, high heat, high speed. Let's go. Okay, this is my hair after blow drying. Super lightweight. It's actually very lightweight, but I do feel like there's something in my hair, you know, something moisturizing. It's not like lightweight and dry. You feel like there's something in my hair, so that's good. Yeah, I'm loving these results. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my pick just a tiny bit. I'm extra. That's enough, and then just give it a little shake. Yes. I really like these results. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. I will be back. I'm gonna be consistent again, so I will see you in the next video. Peace. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.